PG Stadium, which was once the home ground for Mamelodi Sundowns, but which now continues to be stripped to the ground. Community members are concerned about the fact that it has now become a hub for criminal activities. But with me here to explain more is the organizer, Mr. Tsaka Tsepedi. Mr. Tsepedi, you are welcome. You are protesting this morning against what you are saying is non-service delivery in Mamelodi. Can you just tell us more about that? What are the challenges?
The challenges in unemployment rate, the sports facilities that David Makhura is destroying the kids. You can also check these kids, they don't have a place to play where they can entertain themselves. All they will opt for is going to be a nice time and drugs. So it's been for 6 years engaging David Makhura. MEC Mbali Hlophe even told us she's not our friend. And that is unparliamentary, so to speak to us. They are so rude. We just want to send the message loud and clear to their councillors that they have made a gangster, thinking that they'll steal this election like they did always. Not this time around. We don't longer recognize councillors in Mamelodi. We'll do this in our own. We invited them very many times, even one can recall. It was on the 10th of March last year. Lebo Mailo was here, MEC of Housing. He engaged with us at Ikageng. The bottom line was that he was not here because he's doing nothing. And we are so puzzled because of foreign nationals has occupied RDP houses. The councillors are selling land. They don't worry. We as South African, we are worried. Where is our land going now? To foreign nations. Doesn't mean we want to attack the foreigners. You go to Mamelodi Day Hospital, according to township planning, it was a certain place that accommodates patients of Mamelodi. Mamelodi has grown more bigger than before. Mpumalanga, Kwaga, Kalinen, Moloto, Kangala, Bronkhorstspruit also brings patients in Mamelodi Dag. It tells you people will end up fighting with the nurses and the doctors for a wrong thing because of the Premier of Gauteng, David Makhura, MEC of Health, Sports and Development. We try everything to engage with them. We've got emails as proof. Coming to HMP's issue, Premier Makhura once said to us, we must go and seek for a funder as a community, which we did. The funder, one of the funders which passed on is a month or 2 months back. After that, we engaged Motsepe, Dr. Patrice Motsepe, before he was elected or being nominee of a CAF president. He wanted to refurbish this stadium, but they denied. So it tells us Mamelodi is their playing ground. Everything that they want to do via corruption, their home ground is Mamelodi.
Okay, I understand that the plan, plans to demolish the stadium were approved in 2019 for refurbishing the stadium. What is the position regarding that now?
We are still waiting for them. They committed 20 million budget demolition for this stadium. It was in Irene Hall. After that, we had a problem of COVID-19, which we understood. After that, when the president sent us back to level 3, construction falls under level 3, but nothing has happened. We communicated with them via emails. We chased Premier around Gauteng. Believe you me, we end up snitching in legislature. It was in UJ in Johannesburg, just to talk to him. All he did, it was promise, like he did always.
And you are also concerned about the place now having become a den for drug peddlers. Can you just tell us more about that, especially criminal activities that are taking place here?
Yes, what we're expecting, someone to be raped or be killed here. It's all we're expecting. There's nothing more, because that is the will of David Makhura.
Mr. Tsepedi, you also have given a government until the end of this month to respond to this issue of HMPJ. Then if they don't come to the fore, then what are your plans?
As you can see, the people who are here are the one who had the last hope of last fall peaceful march. After here, they will see what happened to Vuyani. Mamelodi will be no-go area because it's a one and the same. Nothing is changing. They keep playing us. And we just want to name all the councillors that was not born in Mamelodi must step aside. Because what they did, they have a meeting with Mamelodi at Groblersdal, and then they come implement that in here. And most of the councillors are from Far East. What they're doing, they destroy Mamelodi. We don't have robots because of what they're doing. They're fighting DA at the expense of Mamelodi. We are not part and parcel of their battles. What we need service delivery. As easy as that. We ask ourselves, they fail to engage MMC of Tshwane, that is in Vilakazi. We went as United Mamelodi and hashtag bring back HMPG. Mama Vilakazi gave us a year. At the very same time, she drove with us to Mamelodi to come and see what we're talking about. And Mama Vilakazi told, after the 15, I will tell you which sports facility I will start with so that we can get them back to normal so kids can have a playing ground. What is difficult from the ANC councillors? You name Rabasoto, you name Boroto. And by the way, I was also a victim arrested at the Mahube Mall seeking for a job. The very same councillor made their conspiracy with the constructor there. I end up in jail for seeking a job for their own benefit. You can't be a councillor in Mamelodi and December you going home. When we experience problems in December, we should wait for you when you are coming back from home. Hence we decided that we don't need any councillor. If you can send a message via councillor, you are not talking to Mamelodi. We want everyone who wants to talk to Mamelodi must come to us personally so we can address all issues.
Thank you, sir. There was Mr. Tsakatse Pedi, the organizer of the protest here today, talking about issues of service delivery here in Mamelodi, which he says are moving at a snail pace or not visible at all, and saying that they've given government until the end of this month to address the issue of the stadium that's behind me, failure to which they'll now take to the streets. And that's back to you, Desiree.
Mulemo Wawane Motwa there for coming to you from Mamelodi.